20-minute dinner Einkorn pasta with broccoli basil pesto. I'm starting to get what all the fuss is about when it comes to Einkorn wheat products. It's the original, ancient wheat, not genetically modified or otherwise subjected to hybridization techniques. It has fewer carbs, more protein, and is easier to digest than the modern stuff. And it's one of the reasons this easy, comforting pasta dish packs an impressive 24 grams of protein per serving. Prep time, 10 minutes. Total time, 20 minutes. Serves for 8 ounces Einkorn whole wheat pasta, or pasta of your choice. 8 ounces grape or cherry tomatoes, sliced 1/4 thick. 12 ounces broccoli florets. 2 ounces fresh basil leaves. 1/4 c pine nuts. 2 ounces finely grated Parmesan. 1/2 c Greek yogurt. 1/4 c extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. 1. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add broccoli and cook until bright green, 3 to 4 minutes. Until they turn bright green. Remove broccoli from water using a slotted spoon and let sit in a strainer to drain. 2. Add the pasta to the boiling water and cook according package instructions. 3. Place broccoli, basil, pine nuts, Parmesan, yogurt, olive oil, and salt into a food processor and pulse until the mixture is smooth, scraping down sides as needed. 4. When the pasta finishes cooking, drain and immediately add the pesto, stirring until pasta is well coated. Gently stir in the sliced tomatoes. Serve hot or chilled.